you've grown from high school. You know, you're no longer that same naive, innocent, you know, well, of course you're innocent. Is this high up enough? Okay, I am in a rush. It is 7:25. I'm trying to push back my reservations, but they won't answer the phone. Starting off with the Soft Glam palette. The kind of look I want to do, I'm wearing orange, burnt orange. So I kind of don't want to do too much, you know? Add a little bit of Sienna, which is like my favorite transition shade. Anastasia. All-time favorite. I just want to do something. I'm using like an overall fluffy brush. I feel like it just gets, it's like a one swipe shop. Eye always picks up more shadow than this eye. Don't know why. Kind of want to go in with a brown shade. Y'all gonna zoom through this makeup. Zoom. You're just flying by. I mean, oh my lord, it's just flying by. That's one thing about time. Time don't wait for anybody. I'm taking Cypress Umber. It's a cool tone. I want to say kind of like grayish tone brown, and I'm patting that right in the crease. I'm using the fluffy brush, but I'm also patting it, like pressing. Can we please talk about people wearing, like, I'm not even gonna talk about it. Why is the dating game so terrible? I feel like all these years went by and it's like they waited to give us the worst end of the stick. Makes you just like, you know what? I think a cat sounds real nice. This is why I make it known to pray to God for your significant other, because I feel like it filters down and cuts down so much more. So much. Okay. Take a little bit of black. Take a pencil brush. It's dense and it's sharp. It's a Morphe one. Taking the Anastasia Shadow Noir. And I'm actually gonna precisely hit an outer V. My goodness, I got my Brandon Blackwood bag and I'm so excited. Can you tell? But I love these smaller brushes because they're really nice for just being detailed and precise. And then you're gonna just blend, because look, we are in a rush. So this is like a rushed look. When you layer the transitional shades, it really helps blend your shadows. It's actually like one of my favorite looks to do. I feel like this look is gonna look good on any occasion. Yeah. The color, it's bronze. Using just like this fluffy brush here. It's the bronze shade in this palette. On our lids, to drag it like that. You see, I can just put it on my crease like that. Let me zoom in. I want to go back in with that black because I want mine to be really deep. Trust the process, girl, okay? Overall, bigger, fluffy blending brush. Now, I want to add a pigment. I haven't used this pigment in so long. This pigment is from Inglot. It's in the number 63. Looks like this. It's going to give you that rustic type of tone. So I'm doing my eyes first because it's going to give me room and leeway to clean up. And you can also mix this pigment with their door line that Inglot makes. I want to do orange. I don't want to like, you know, the black kid that should have been on Sesame Street. This looks so pretty. Only thing is that these pigments get everywhere. Now I'm just gonna go in and give it another swirl of a blend, a light blend. We're gonna need some eyeliner. We're gonna need some eyeliner, okay? I'm gonna go in with some eyeliner, just some Inglot number 77 is the one that I wanna use, but my brush isn't clean right now and I don't wanna mess it up, so I'm gonna use the NYX Liquid Matte Eyeliner, and this one is quicker to use. You guys like basketball or football? I like basketball. I feel like they put on a good show. Football, it be cold sometimes. It's just not my thing. I feel like football games are nice, like to go to when you're in college, you know? Okay, y'all, I am moving. Am I moving or what? Like, do I want to do a wing? I kind of don't, because I kind of just want to clean it up. I think I'm not. One thing, if you don't have time to do a wing or you don't feel like doing a wing, girl, just drop a line on top of the lash line, okay? Patrick, I want to say Patrick Ta. Are they brothers? Start One Size Beauty eyeliner. I have a question. Those are watching this. Do you find it hard to make friends? Hard to make friends? I feel like people latch on to me. I don't know why, but I'm flattered. You know, I feel like people latch on to me. So, but my thing is just finding always the right people. I think just always making sure that, you know, when you have your friends and you find your friends, you're doing it with the right people. Because like I said, like people are the #1 danger zone on this earth. Pray to God about people. When I meet people, and I can't really get like a feeling, or I can't really read them that well. I'm like, God, Jesus, what about this person? I'm kind of confused. I really don't play. Like, I do not play. I do not just let anyone in my life. My life is precious and I'm going to honor it, okay? So I'm going to take some Chanel Le Volume mascara. At 11 minutes. Oh my God. I am moving with this makeup. I'm so happy. Like for me, like it's not that it's hard, you know, because I can make friends. It's just like, I don't know, always just making sure you find the right people, you know. And I feel like as you get older in your adult life, it can be harder to make friends. Because, you know, you've grown from high school. You know, you're no longer that same naive, innocent, you know. Well, of course you're innocent. You know, you're not the same anymore. You've grown, you've gained discernment, you've grown in God, you've just bloomed. So you see things differently and maybe even read people differently. I know I do. I'm gonna use a lash that I already have open. Ripping those out because it's gonna be like a time crunch. Okay, I'm just gonna pop on our Hollywood lashes. These lashes are bomb. It's something about used eyelashes. I don't know what it is. I just washed all my eyelashes yesterday. So like I soaked my eyelashes in Dawn soap and I cleaned like the lash band and everything, like Dawn soap in hot water. Well, I would say warm water, nothing like scorching, you know. Nothing like a hot pot of grits, of course. We loving this glue. I feel like I was using just the tube duo glue for so long. I'll be kind of stuck in my ways when it comes down to makeup. I'm like, oh, nope, I'm using this. But I need to, of course, branch off and try different products and things like that. Also say this. You know how we write things down, we pray, we write things down. I want to say if you write something down and it does not come together in like the year of the time frame, roll it over to the new list because things take time. Things take time. I have that prepping. So today's foundation, I have to take off. I didn't even clean the top part of my eyebrows, y'all. How they looking? I did not have time to do my toes and my nails, so I brought press-ons. And I'm excited. And I also did my own feet. Child, like, I don't see how they be doing it in the shop. I cannot do my feet and nails for nothing in this world. Something about used lashes that makes them really easy to put on. I feel like maybe because they're like to your eye shape, I don't know. I don't know, I'm just talking. Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in Macao. And of course, our skincare is Birthday Glam. Hello, Charlotte Tilbury. What you doing? What skincare are you doing before your makeup? You have to prep the skin. No, don't get in the corner of my eye. I feel like every time I go out, I put my lash too far in the corner of my freaking eye and it's irritating. But it's whatever. Her eye cream. I'll use too much. That's too much. I grabbed too much of her eye cream. I'll put it in the crevices of my nose too if I use too much. Y'all see. Glowatroid. Let's give some foundation. I barely do this, but I'm putting it on my face. Girls do. What the girls do. So now that we have that all good and applied, right? We're gonna take the Laura Mercier concealer in the shade 6N. So this is a neutral shade. And I'm gonna be popping this right in all the places that I need to conceal. And this is going to prevent a flashback. It's also gonna cover up that unibrow I have, okay? And it's gonna help me when I take pictures using the flash to concealer. It's not only to conceal, but I feel like it really helps before you take a picture with the flash so you don't have a flashback. I promise you, when you do your skincare underneath your makeup first, you will see that your makeup blends so much better. The Too Faced Sculpting Concealer in Butterscotch, this has been my favorite. Y'all, let me see where I'm at on my camera. I'm at 20 minutes, 20 minutes. I mean, of course I'm gonna edit this video, but on just like my makeup part, I'm on 20 minutes. And I love doing Get Ready With Me. I love it because I love putting on an outfit and doing my makeup. I just love glam. So much fun. It kind of reminds me of like dress up. Clean up that eyeshadow with your concealer. So right now my face is like really, really wet and like moist and just hydrated and just very much drippy, okay? I set my under eye quickly just to kind of prevent creasing options, okay? Because we have shorter hair, and with our outfit, like my face has to have like structure, okay? So I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Tantour. I'm just going to take my One Stop Shop brush. It's fluffy, but it's dense, from Makeup by Ariel. We're going to head right in the crevices here. Take some powder and I want to clean it. No, I'm going to just take a concealer of my shade, which is that 6 neutral color, and I'm going to just take it on a brush, control over it over a brush, just so I don't want no white under thing, and I'm just going to clean it. My foundation brush, because it has a little bit of leftover product on it from my foundation. And girl, we just gonna blend. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. Because I wanted to make sure it's very defined. So I just want a really nice, clean cut there. And I'm gonna just take a big brush and just make sure we dust off all the excess powder, because we didn't really fully get it off. We pressed it in, but I want to make sure everything is blended. I'm going to just go ahead. I'm going to take this Christian Dior. Baby, we are moving. We are moving. I'm going to bronze. Time is it? Maybe it's $7.49. Child, please. I'm gonna go ahead and with a blush, I'm gonna be taking, this is from the Mariah Carey's matte collection. It's like a pink, sweet, sweet fantasy. And I'm gonna just be using an overall fluffy brush, like a really big brush that I've been using lately. Then we cannot forget our under eyes. Don't think we forgetting our under eyes, y'all. And our nose either. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a little black girl nose. I just go underneath my lower lash line. I'm just closing up my products because if I don't, I'll kind of forget. And I'm going to just take that Cypress Umber color. It's brown. There's a lot of kickback, so be careful. And we're just gonna pop her right under our eyes. We have to take some Chanel Le Volume and hit our lower lash. Highlighter, and I'm going to take the Max Whisper of Guilt, and we're just going to highlight in all of the right places. It's like my favorite highlighter, especially if I'm going out. I feel like it's not too much, but it still just gives you some highlighter. Now I'm going to just set my face before I do my lips. Charlotte Tilbury Party All Night, Stay All Day. I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Lip Contour Pencil. This stains your lips, so I'm guessing she's waterproof. This is the Mariah Carey lipstick. A dupe for this is Myth. This is a bit of bubbly. Like when you pack your lip, you gotta pack the liner, the lipstick, and the gloss. Do y'all do that? I just take, what's this? This is Very Go Light. Mac needs to write these names bigger. We wear glasses over here. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I'm wearing this orange Jlux Label two-piece. It's a bodysuit. It has shoulder padding. It's like the rustic orange color, and it also has a skirt. I got this outfit on sale, and also it has an adjustable drawstring, so you can kind of really have your way with this skirt. It also has like a lot of fabric, so you can most definitely get this taken in. I'm also pairing it with some gold shoot heel. I believe this is the Atlina heel. This heel is like a barely there, so it's gonna look sexy on your legs, you know, and I have thick legs and I have wide feet, okay? It's gonna look real sexy, it's gonna look real pretty, and I'm pairing it with this Brandon Blackwood bag. I was so excited, and Brandon Blackwood, not only is it like a luxury black owned brand, but the customer service is amazing. This is the pony hair aqua blue mini trunk bag, and I thought this would be a very nice pair with this outfit to just give it some color. See you guys in the next one. Stay blessed and bye.